This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm your device compatibility before attempting setup. You need an Apple Watch Series 4 or later running Watch OS 5. 1, 2 or newer. Your iPhone must be iPhone 6 is or later with iOS 12. 1, 2 or newer installed. Also confirm region availability for the ECG app in your country settings. Make sure you wear the watch snugly on the wrist above the bone. Ensure your wrist and hand are clean and dry for accurate sensing. The ECG app records for 30 seconds to analyze heart rate. Next, enable the ECG feature through your iPhone Health app before using it. Open the Health app, tap Browse, then Heart, then Electrocardiogram ECG to start setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter personal health data like age, sex, and medical history. The Health app will verify regional eligibility and then pair settings with your watch. After that, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to My Watch, then Heart to enable ECG. Complete any remaining consent and privacy prompts as directed by Apple. To record an ECG, sit down and rest your arms on a table for stability. Rest your wrist with the watch facing up and keep your wrist steady before starting the 30-second ECG. Open the ECG app on the watch and place a finger gently on the digital crown to begin the recording. Breathe normally and remain still until the 30-second timer completes and the result displays on screen. The app will classify results as sinus rhythm, atrial fibrillation, or inconclusive for further review. Save or export the ECG PDF from the Health app to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.